Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Pirate. Pirate means person who attacks and robs ships. For example, in the 3 weeks leading up to the attack, 16 container ships had been boarded by pirates. In the 3 weeks leading up to the attack, 16 container ships had been boarded by pirates. Synonyms: freebooter.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. No, it was the other pirates who kidnapped her. Now, repeat after me. No, it was the other pirates who kidnapped her. The second exempli. Just then 4 other pirate ships began to approach them. Now, repeat after me. Just then 4 other pirate ships began to approach them. The third exempli. In turn, Kirby caught every detail of her swashbuckling pirate. Now, repeat after me. In turn, Kirby caught every detail of her swashbuckling pirate.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
William Shakespeare had a great influence on the English language. William Shakespeare was an English poet, playwright, and actor. Above all, he introduced thousands of words and phrases into the English language.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.